convert 40 base 9 to what? To base 10. Now, solution. We are going to first write out the number in base 9. Now, what's the next thing to do? We assign value starting from 0. Then we have what? 1. The next thing for us to do is to write out the expanding form of this. So we have 4 times what? 4 times 9 raised to the power of what? 1. Then plus 0 times 9 raised to power what? 0. So in this case, this is 4 times what? 9 raised to power 1, that is 9. Then plus, this is a term with 0. So what happened? This will become 0. Then 4 times 9 is what? 36. We now have plus 0. So 36 plus 0 will be equal to what? 36. And that's the answer is in what? Base what? Base 10. So that is the solution to the question. Thank you. Now we have 1024 plus 200. What do we have? 1224. What base? Base 10. So it means that 2310 base 8 is equals to 1224 base 10. That is the solution to the problem.